So in this Notes app tutorial, I am going to show you how to create quick notes on the Notes app. So what I want you guys to do is go to the top right hand corner of your screen and then drag down to open up the control center. Once you're on this page right here, go to the top left and press on the plus icon, and then go to at the bottom to where it says add a control. Once you're here, sort of in the middle beside screen recording, go ahead and select quick notes. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap away from your screen. Now, once you're on this page right here, if you were to go ahead and press it, you can actually add a quick note. So let's go ahead and type in quick note just like this. If this looks good, go to the top right and press save. So once you do that, the note's now saved. So for example, if you're like watching a YouTube video or whatever, you don't want to go back and forth, you can just slide down, add it quick. And if I were to go back right here to the main screen, where's my notes tab right here? Quick notes at the top right here, go ahead and select it, and I've now created my quick notes. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to create quick notes on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching.